Hey everyone there, welcome back. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to hide photos in Google Photos, step by step, so you can keep your private pictures safe and secure. First of all, open the Google Photos application. Google Photos is the default gallery app for most Android users, and it comes with a built-in feature called Locked Folder, which is perfect for hiding sensitive photos and videos. Once the app is open, browse through your gallery and select the photo or photos you want to hide. You can tap and hold on a photo to select it, then choose multiple items if needed. After selecting the photos, look for the three-dot menu or the options bar, usually located at the top or bottom of the screen. Now, tap on Move to Locked Folder. If this is your first time using the locked folder, Google Photos may ask you to set up a screen lock, such as a PIN, pattern, password, or fingerprint. Confirm your choice, tap again, and the selected photos will immediately be hidden from your main gallery. To view your hidden photos later, open Google Photos and tap on Collections. From there, select Locked Folder. Enter your password or use your fingerprint, and you'll instantly see all your hidden photos and videos. This feature is very useful for protecting personal content from others who may use your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.